gonna clean both and see if using a tool. I'm gonna stop and then I'm gonna record so we don't scrap or just leave like a mark on the windows. And today we are gonna clean the windows inside and outside, removing the screen and wash each screen outside. So if you need our cleaning services, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Spot, just use the zero angle, okay? See, you see the finish is perfect angle. Nothing. Okay, go back. This is Teresa from Any House Cleaning. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you don't have time to clean your window, just call me. I will do you a favor, and you do me a favor to hire me. Support our small business and support women, okay? 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you. Hi, this is Teresa from Any House Cleaning, and we're finished. I broke my ladder. Did you see? I'm too cute heavy. Okay, let me show you. Come on over here. So this is a clubhouse in Deer Creek. They have been doing an extension of the clubhouse. We have to clean all the windows in and out, remove the screen, take out some paint or dust or dirt. Let me show you how beautiful I am. No, I'm sorry, how beautiful my windows came. So proud. Woohoo! We remove the screens and we use the screen washer. thanks God that the sun is not in this area, because cleaning a window with the sun, the window cleaner is gonna dry fast. So it came really good. We already put again the screens. I just need to go in and check if the windows are closed correctly. Check everything. I'm gonna do a remix. I don't know how or when. I just clean the screen. They didn't finish this house. I have to clean it. They told me that they're gonna finish Sunday, so I guess Monday I will do it, but they need it done before Thanksgiving, so everybody's crazy. And let me go inside and check if the windows are closed. The ceiling, we already cleaned the ceiling. Okay. Yeah. Now I have to close. Perfect. Beautiful. Awesome. Wonderful. I don't have more adjective. Great job. Somebody needs to tell me something, right? Great job. So I'm really proud. I'm blessed at the same time. Okay. Good. Because this contractor always calls me to do the final cleaning of all his projects, and I have to be grateful for that. Okay, good. One more, couple more. Good. Good. Excellent. Beautiful. This is a dent that already was there. You can see everything better. Good. Closing everything. Perfect. Perfecto. Really good job. If you need your house clean, your windows clean, or your commercial final cleaning, just call us at 407-572-4118. Dun 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 dun! Clean. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. How beautiful is this? Thing that they request is clean.